Good morning. Today I'm gonna take out some. It's gonna be pretty boring because these are cake pans that I made for a store. I think I might need my gloves. Well, I'm going to show you. It's the second time I'm doing it because I don't know if you can see. The glaze didn't go all the way here and at the bottom, so I put in the kiln twice. And I'm not happy about it, but it was the best I can do. So this was fine. I don't even like the color because I thought that, I don't know if you can see, the first ones that I made were made, I put clear glaze on it and they were fine. And I liked it because the color turned out to be a little bit beige, and I prefer beige than white. But the manager of the store, she said to me that her customers prefer white. See that? I don't know. I'll never do it again. Ever. Put this away here. Oh, that's brilliant. See, that didn't help. Here in the corner, I think that what happened was like an air bubble. That's not bad. Well, anyway, it is what it is. You can't always expect what's going to happen in the kiln. So, bye. Thanks for watching.